Hey everybody, I'm Lorna. I'm here in Pensacola, Florida, and this is my July 2019 Wantable review. This is my second Wantable, and I had a lot of success with it. My stylist Emma listened to everything I had to say, which wasn't much. It was mostly, "Hey, I'm pregnant. Please don't send me pants," and so she didn't. And she sent me a lot of great tops that are going to be great for my expanding stomach, and some dresses, and an adorable clutch that is mustard colored. And let's just jump right into this since we're here, shall we? Item number one is the Scoop Swing Tank in Heather, and this is by Wantable. And this tank top is very light and flowy. It's a sweater material, but it's really lightweight. It's breathable, it's flowing, I guess it's sort of an A-line tank top. It's gonna fit really well as my stomach gets bigger. I like it a lot, and I kept it. My next item is the Leopard Breezy dress, and this is by Z Supply. It's also kind of a sweater material. But again, it's very lightweight, and I love anything leopard print. If you send me something in leopard print, I'm gonna keep it. I will never send it back. I love big cat print. And this dress is lightweight, breathable, super flowy and stretchy. There was no reason for me to send this dress back. I kept it. My next item is the Zoe top in Happy Stripe, and this is by Beach Lunch Lounge. This top is amazing. It's cotton, it's breathable, super breathable. It's flowing, it's lightweight, and I love the stripes. The stripes are great. I've worn it 3 or 4 times already. But this top is great. I love it, and the price was right, and I kept it. My next item is the asymmetric tie sleeve top, and this is by Karen Kane. This was the only top that I considered not keeping. It's really comfortable. It's just cotton. I wasn't sure if I would wear it outside of the pregnancy. It's just really comfortable. So ultimately I did keep it, but it was the only item that I considered not keeping. I have 2 items for the next one. The pencil striped dress by Z Supply, and the envelope clutch in mustard by Sandra Roberts. The dress is great. Again, it's just a cotton dress. It's breathable, it's summery, it's just comfortable. It's super, super comfortable. So I did keep that. The clutch I was super excited about. I love anything in mustard, and this clutch is just perfect. It doesn't have any interior pockets. It's just the one opening. It comes with a strap so you can wear it across your shoulder, but I like it a lot as just a clutch as well, and I absolutely kept it. It was perfect. My last item is the Pocket Racer tank, and this is also by Z Supply. And this was just a nice tank top. Has a little pocket on one side, and I liked how it was long in the front and the back. And that's going to be really great also as my belly gets bigger, so that I can still stay covered in the front. I liked it a lot. I liked the color, and I thought the outfit I put together worked really well too. So I was very pleased overall with my Wantable edit this time, and I'm trying to alternate when I get Stitch Fix and when I get Wantable. So I did go into my preferences, and I edited how frequently I'm going to be getting Wantable now. So now I'm getting it every other month, just like I'm getting Stitch Fix every other month now. And I think that'll be a good way to balance those things out. But I was very pleased overall with the items that I received. I thought Emma addressed my pregnancy very well in the items that she sent. Everything's going to fit me throughout this process and afterwards, which I like a lot. Yeah, and so ultimately my purchase was under $300. I got a 20% discount because I kept 5 of the items. I kept all of the items, so I got a nice discount. And I feel like Wantable is a really good option to try. They do seem to pay exceptional attention to the feedback that you give them, which I like a lot. And regardless of whether or not I pin things to my Pinterest board, they're listening to me and they're thinking about things, and I like that. So that concludes my July Wantable, and I will see you guys in September for my next Wantable review. And you guys know how to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.